5 hidden reasons behind heart failure. After 60, what doctors want you to know. After the age of 60, life slows down. But our hearts? They've already carried us through millions of beats of love, stress, joy, and survival. But what happens when that powerful heart begins to struggle? When walking upstairs feels like climbing a mountain, or when breathing feels heavier than before? Today on Old Age Wisdom, we'll uncover the 5 hidden reasons behind heart failure in older adults, the causes many seniors never suspect until it's too late. So, before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to Old Age Wisdom, and share it with a loved one, because what you'll hear today could save someone's life. The silent weight on the heart. Ignored blood pressure. Meet Eleanor, a 72-year-old retired teacher from London. She's kind, gentle, and always smiling. But behind that smile, her blood pressure had been rising silently for years. Just a little high, her doctor once said. We'll watch it. But Eleanor never changed her salt intake, never reduced stress, and kept skipping her morning walk. High blood pressure, my friends, is the #1 silent destroyer of the heart. It thickens the heart walls, weakens the muscle, and makes the heart tire out, like an old engine forced to run too hard for too long. If you're over 60 and your blood pressure is above 130/80, it's time to act. Not later, not someday, today. Reduce salt, walk daily, and breathe slowly when you feel tense. Pause for reflection. Because your heart deserves peace, not pressure. The sugar trap. Hidden diabetes damage. Now meet George, a 68-year-old from Texas. He never thought he had diabetes, after all. He didn't eat much sugar, but what George didn't realize was that diabetes doesn't always announce itself. Years of sweetened tea, soft drinks, and white bread quietly damaged his blood vessels. By the time he felt tired and dizzy, the damage was already deep. His heart's tiny arteries were stiff and narrow, struggling to deliver enough oxygen. Doctors call it diabetic cardiomyopathy, but George calls it the silent thief. If you're over 60, check your blood sugar. Not once, but regularly. And if you have diabetes, control it not with fear, but with awareness, softly. Because knowing your numbers can keep your heart beating strong. If you're over 60 and your blood pressure is above 130/80, it's time to act. Not later, not someday, today. Reduce salt, walk daily, and breathe slowly when you feel tense. Pause for reflection. Because your heart deserves peace, not pressure. The hidden drought. Lack of water and electrolytes. It sounds simple, doesn't it? Just drink more water, but many seniors drink too little. They fear too many bathroom trips or simply lose their sense of thirst with age. Margaret, 75, from Manchester, fainted one summer morning. The hospital told her her sodium and potassium levels had dropped dangerously low. Her heart rhythm was irregular, a condition triggered by dehydration and mineral imbalance. Our hearts rely on electrolytes, potassium, magnesium, sodium, to keep a steady rhythm. Without them, the electrical signals misfire. So remember, a small glass of water every hour during the day is better than gulping down a bottle at once. Add a pinch of sea salt or a banana to keep balance. Pause. Simple habits, yet life-saving.
If you are still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you are here. And if you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your supports helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you.
The food illusion. processed foods and bad fats. There's a saying, the heart eats what the mouth allows. Thomas, 66, from Florida, loved convenience foods. Frozen dinners, fast food, and packaged snacks filled his kitchen. They were easy, quick, but deadly. These foods were packed with trans fats and hidden sodium, slowly choking his arteries. His doctor showed him an image of his clogged heart vessel. It looked like an old rusty pipe. But when Thomas switched to real foods, fresh vegetables, olive oil, and fish, something beautiful happened. Within months, his energy returned, his cholesterol dropped, and his heart thanked him. If you can't pronounce the ingredients, your heart can't process them either. Eat whole, eat fresh, and your body will do the healing. Don't forget to subscribe to Old Age Wisdom, because every week we share stories that keep hearts alive and minds inspired. The forgotten rest, stress, and sleepless nights. Our final story is about Helen, 70, from Scotland. She lived alone, slept little, and worried a lot. About her past, her bills, her children. Her heart was never at rest, even when her body was. Doctors found no major blockages, yet her heart was failing. Why? Because stress hormones, cortisol and adrenaline, had been attacking her heart night after night. Your heart needs peace as much as your mind does. Sleep at least 7 hours, pray, meditate, or simply listen to calm music. Let your heart slow down. It's earned the right to rest. In the end, peace is the best medicine of all.
If you are still watching this video and finding these valuable insights, please comment number 5 below to let me know you are here. And if you have not subscribed, yet I reminded you subscribed and turn on the bell so you miss any video. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you.
The wisdom to remember. So, my friends, the 5 hidden causes of heart failure after 60 are ignored high blood pressure, uncontrolled diabetes, dehydration, and electrolyte imbalance. Processed, salty food stress and sleeplessness. Each of these begins small, but grows quietly. Take care of your heart, the very thing that's taken care of you your whole life. And before you go, if this story touched your heart, please like this video, subscribe to Old Age Wisdom, and share it with a friend or family member who might need this gentle reminder today. Stay wise, stay strong, and let your heart live long.
If you are still watching this video and finding these valuable insights, please comment number 5 below to let me know you are here. And if you have not subscribed, yet I reminded you subscribed and turn on the bell so you miss any video. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you.